The question of whether sporting teams or individuals should emphasize improving their weaknesses or reinforcing their strengths has been thrust into the spotlight by the selection dilemma facing the West Indies team in England. Should the West Indies continue playing the extra batsman to prop up their notoriously weak batting, or should they play the extra bowler to add even more potency to a comparatively potent bowling attack? Some pundits say prop up your weakness. Some say improve your strengths and press home the advantage. In principle, I believe more in improving on strengths. If those strengths are strong enough and you strengthen them, then you will more than likely compensate for your weaknesses. Theoretically as well, it is much easier to improve on what you're good at instead of trying to be better at what you're not good at. Yes. Usain Bolt, for example, was never the best starter, but look at what he did with that middle portion and end of his races. So in principle, I am a firm believer in reinforcing your strength as long as your weakness is a functional weakness. But in this case, we're talking about the West Indies batting. Yes. That is not a functional weakness. That weakness is too weak. Yes. So 9 times out of 10, the extra batsman must play for the West Indies. So only for the West Indies, may I just show my principle. Yes. So principle, yeah.